Where are you going to go?
I travel to France.
France. Why are you going to France?
Because I'm a student.
You're a student there. Okay. Do you have any liquid on you?
No.
Okay, now you can go. Next!
Hello, miss.
Hello, can I have your passport?
Yes, of course.
Your name is Sakin, right?
Yes.
Okay, where are you going to travel to?
I travel to China.
China. Why are you going to China?
I have some business. I take care of my business.
Okay. Do you have any liquids on you?
Yep. I have this bottle of water.
Okay. Can you put your bag on the kilogram? You have to take one thing out.
Sorry.
It's too heavy.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay, now it's good. You can go now.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Next! Can you please put your mask on? Okay. Can I have your passport? Your name is Adin, right? Okay, where are you going to travel?
I'm going to
America. Why are you going to America?
Because my uncle is in the...
Okay. Okay. Do you have any liquid on you?
No.
Can you put your bag on the ground? Okay, your bag is fine. You can go now. Have a nice trip. Next. Please, sir, put your mask on. Okay, can I have your passport?
Yes.
Meanwhile, right?
Yes.
Where are you going to travel to?
I travel Africa.
Africa. Why are you going to Africa?
Because I am a teacher.
You're a teacher there. What do you teach?
English.
Do you have any liquid on your electronics? Can you put your bag on the calendar? You can't take any liquid on you. Liquid. You can't take. Okay, now you can go. Next! Hello, can I have your passport? Okay, your name is Gia, right? Yeah. Where are you going to travel to? Turkey? Okay, here you go. Why are you going to Turkey?
Because I'm
Because you're sick. Okay. Do you have any liquids or stuff on you?
No.
Okay, now you can go. Next!
Hello.
Hello, can I have your passport? Rafa, right?
Travel America.
Why are you going to travel to America?
Because I'm a student.
Because you're a student there. Okay. Have a nice trip. Bye. Hello, can I have your passport? Your name is Rafa. Where are you going to travel to?
I'm travel America.
America. Why are you going to America?
Because I'm a student.
Because you're a student. Are you going to go there to learn English?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any liquid or electronics on you?
No.
Okay, have a nice trip.
Hello, Mr. Hello. Can I have your passport? Your name is Rai. Rai, yes? Where do you want to travel? And your name is Nice. Why do you want to travel to Turkey? Do you have your family with you or your friends? Okay. Have a nice trip. Next. Hello, miss. Hello. What? Can I have your passport? Your name is Mansa. Mansa, where do you want to go to travel?
I'm going to Turkey.
Why do you want to go to Turkey?
Because you love it.
You love it? Do you have your family with you? Okay, do you have any friends? Okay, have a nice trip. Next. Hello. Can I have your passport? Your name is Lena.
Yes.
Lena, where do you want to go to travel?
No.
Why do you want to go to Area?
Friend.
You have your friends there? Can you put your bags in the kilogram? It's too heavy. You should put something else. Put something else. And you have your water. Do you have liquid or electronics with you? Get your water down because you can get water in that place. Thank you. Have a nice trip. Next. Hello, Mr. Hello. Can I have your passport? Your name is Zito?
Yes.
Nice name. Where name you?
My father.
Nice. Where do you want to go travel?
I go to Africa and in Africa I go to UK.
Can you mask up because of the coronavirus? Can you put your bag in the kilogram? It's too heavy. You should put something else. Thank you. Have a nice trip. Next. Hello. Can I have your passport? Your name is Abras.
Yes.
Abras, where do you want to go to travel?
I go to Paris.
Why do you want to go to France?
Because I was student.
Okay. Are you smart?
Yes.
Yes, your name is nice too. Have a nice trip. Next. Hello, mister. Can I have your passport? Okay. Your name is Sammy.
Yes.
And please wear your mask. Please mask up because of the coronavirus, okay? Where do you want to go to travel?
I travel to Turkey.
Why do you want to go to Turkey? Okay, you are a teacher. You teach the students which subject? English or science?
Kurdish.
Kurdish? Nice. And your name is nice too. Can you put your bag in the kilogram? It's fine, get it. It's fine. Have a nice trip.
Hello, miss. That's it. Can I get your badge? Here you go. Your name is Sabo? Yes. Sabo, where did you go? I'm going to Africa. Okay, Sabo. Where do you go? Because I'm going to be exploring there. Okay, Sabo. Do you have any water or liquids? No, I don't have any water or liquid on me. Okay, you can go have a nice trip. Next. Hello. Hello. Can I get your water? Your name is Buddy?
Yes.
Okay, Buddy. Where did you go, Buddy?
I'm going to France.
Why do you go?
Because I'm a student.
Buddy, did you have any water or metal?
No.
Okay, Buddy, have a nice trip. Next. Hello?
Hello?
Can I get your badge? Your name's Haitham. Haitham, where do you go?
I travel to Sydney
Why do you go?
because I'm a student.
Okay, Haitham. Do you have any water or metal?
No.
Okay. Next. Hello. Can you mask up? Okay. Can I get your badge? Your name's Love.
Yes.
Lovely. Where do you go?
I travel to New York
Why do you go?
because I am a teacher.
Teacher. Do you have any water or metal?
Yes, I have.
Okay. And lovely you can have an orchard.
Thank you.